For my hardware project, I chose the Chromebooks to share. My class has just recently received a one-to-one set of Chromebooks, so this is a tool that we're really excited about learning how to use. We're slowly learning how to navigate and utilize them in the classroom. The Chromebooks function similar to a laptop, however, its operating system is through Google Chrome, and most of its functions are web-based and linked to a Google account online. Each of our students received a Google account through our system, and I've set up a Google Classroom where I post links to assignments or websites that I want the students to view. The students have been using the Chromebooks daily over the last several weeks, and we've learned how to navigate through Google Classroom pretty quickly. For the assignment that this student is working on, he is going into Google Classroom, opening up Google Slides, and creating a Google slide for each vocabulary word that includes its definition and sentence and a picture. Other than using our Chromebooks for the Google Classroom, we also use our Chromebooks for doing activities such as Nearpod or Kahoots, where we can have a one-to-one student response system online. They also play games and do research through PebbleGo. And one of the things that I learned through online tutorials and YouTube videos was that the button functions on a Chromebook are different than those that are on a normal laptop or computer keyboard. And so a few of the functions that we looked at was that these two buttons allow us to move back and forth between pages that we were previously on through the internet. This is our refresh button, which we use quite often because we have internet lags in school. This button allows me to have the students quickly increase the size of the screen. So if they had a screen that was open and they wanted to enlarge it to full screen, all they would have to do is press this button and it would make it full screen, or they can shrink it back down. The next button allows them to move in between two screens that they may have open. So if they have two different things that they're wanting to move in between, they can quickly do that. And then the final buttons are their brightness and their sound. So these were just some very quick ways to navigate through the Chromebook. I'm looking forward to finding new ways to use the Chromebooks and teaching my students to be more fluid with this tool as we learn how to utilize it in the classroom.